Independence. Today we are celebrating the 78th Independence Day of India. As we stand here free and proud, let's remember the sacrifices of our brave freedom fighters who fought for this freedom. Let's go back in time and witness a few glimpses of their struggle. For ordinary people, sacrificing their lives is a big deal. But freedom fighters selflessly make this unimaginable sacrifice for their country without thinking of any repercussion. Students of grade 1 are going to present before you a few events that happened during the fight for independence in the form of scenes. Let's sit back and watch them in action. Presenting before you is scene 1.
Sister, don't stand there.
మేడం అందరూ కూర్చొని చేసుకోండి ఏం పర్లేదు నాకు అందరూ కూర్చొని కూర్చొని పడేలా కూర్చొని మధ్యలో కూర్చొని
Here we see the great Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, who led the country with his principles of non-violence and truth. Gandhiji used the spinning wheel or charkha as a unifying call to action in the non-violent struggle against British colonial rule in India. The charkha was used in one form or another in nearly all parts of India to spin thread for making cloth. The charkha in the hands of Gandhi and other Indian nationalists became a symbol for national unity and the simple action of spinning the act of protest. The charkha proved a highly visible symbol for India's political independence and economic self-sufficiency. Let's move on to scene 2. Gandhiji believed that the use of Swadeshi goods would make us self-sufficient and eliminate our dependence on imported goods. Swadeshi movement was a mass movement that encouraged Indians to boycott foreign goods and use Indian-made products. Burning of foreign clothes symbolized India's determination to depend on Swadeshi goods as a mark of self-respect. Cloth burning events were organized in public in different parts of the country.
clap children.
Clap, everybody clap.
Scene 3. Rani Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi, was known for her outstanding bravery. She was an important name in the freedom struggle against the British. She organized and led her army in battles against the British. Her exemplary leadership, military strategy, and unwavering courage inspired countless Indians to join the fight for independence. Despite facing overwhelming odds, She fought violently and became a symbol for resistance and female empowerment. This section highlights her major activities carried out against the British government to fulfill the dream of a free India.
Hey, Baboy.
भाग भाग रे भाग फिरंगी झांसी की रानी आई है भाल तिलक और हाथ खड़क दुर्गा है काली माई है अश्व चढ़ी प्रचंड विकट ये मनु है लक्ष्मी बाई है शोले बरसेंगे अब तुझ पर तेरी शामत आई है देखो मुझ पर भारी बार को देखो तेरे शीश को लेने आई झांसी की रानी आई झांसी की
Scene 4. Scene 4. Alluri Sitaramraju was an Indian revolutionary who fought against the British colonial rule in India. He led a guerrilla campaign in the eastern Ghats region of present-day Andhra Pradesh, mobilizing the tribal people against the oppressive forest laws and policies of British government.
అదిగదిగో ఆకాశం భళ్ళున తెల్లారి వస్తున్నాడదిగో మన హక్కి పిడుగు అల్లూరి ఎవడు రారా భరత జాతిని తత్వమడిగిన తుచ్చుడు ఎవడా పొగరు పట్టిన చల్ల దొరగాడెవ్వడు బ్రతుకు తెరువుకు దేశమొచ్చి బానిసలుగా మమ్ము నెంచి పన్నులడిగే కొమ్ములొచ్చిన దమ్ములెవడికి వచ్చరా బడుగు జీవులు భక్కుమంటే ఉడుకు నెత్తురు ఉత్తనైతే ఆ చంద్ర నిప్పుల దండ గొట్టని పన్ను గడపది చూడరా అన్నా మన్నెందర అల్లూరిని చుట్టుముట్టి మంది మాటల మెట్టి మనకి రంగులెక్కు పెట్టి వంద గుళ్ళు ఒక్కసారి పేల్చితే వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం అన్నది ఆకాశం
అమ్మా మండపొచ్చని
The story of India's struggle for freedom. The story of India's struggle for freedom will remain incomplete without the mention of some other noted freedom fighters and countless unsung heroes and heroines who have fought with unwavering dedication and sacrificed their lives. Here comes Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly known as Chacha Nehru, was the key leader of the Indian National Congress and the independence movement. Now we have Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known as the Iron Man of India, who is remembered a very strong and dynamic freedom fighter of India. He was actively contributed to the Indian freedom movement. Now we have Subhash Chandra Bose, popularly known as Netaji. He was an outstanding leader of the Indian freedom movement and a revolutionary for excellence. He effectively took the Indian freedom movement beyond the boundaries of India, which is perhaps a rare feat in the history of freedom struggle. Bhagat Singh was an Indian revolutionary freedom fighter who fought against the colonial rule. He popularized the slogan Inqilab Zindabad, which became the catchphrase of the Indian independence movement. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, one of the first advocates of Swaraj or self-rule. He believed that no progress was possible without self-rule. His famous slogan was, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Next, Tanguturi Prakasham, popularly known as Andhra Keshari, which means Lion of Andhra, was an Indian jurist, political leader, social reformer, and an anti-colonial nationalist. Next, Sarojini Naidu, also known as the Nightingale of India, was a renowned freedom fighter and a woman actively participated in the different movements of the freedom struggle along with other great leaders.
Thanks to the sacrifices of these leaders. As we celebrate this day, let's remember the sacrifices made,
Sir.
the battles fought,
జరగదు
and the dreams envisioned. Let's all pledge to build a better, stronger, and more prosperous India. Today, we live in a free India, but the journey of freedom continues, as freedom is not just a word, it's a responsibility. It is our duty to honor this freedom. Let's celebrate the value of independence and the spirit of freedom that unites us all. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
తీసుకెళ్ళిపోండి ఫోటో తీసుకెళ్ళిపోండి బాగా